Tired of feeling bloated, sluggish, or fighting constant inflammation? You don't need a cabinet full of supplements, just two powerful ingredients you probably already have: pineapple and ginger. A tonic that boosts digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports immunity. Let's make it! Pineapple. Rich in bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps break down protein for better digestion. Packed with vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and supports skin health. Acts as a natural diuretic, helping reduce water retention and bloating. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Soothes the digestive tract and helps with nausea, gas, and bloating. Boosts circulation, warms the body, and fights infections. Recipe. Ingredients. Makes 2 servings. 2 cups fresh pineapple, chopped. 1 to 2 inch piece fresh ginger, peeled and sliced or grated. 1 cup water or coconut water for extra minerals. Juice of half a lemon optional for extra vitamin C and detox boost. 1 to 2 teaspoons raw honey optional to taste. Instructions. Add chopped pineapple, ginger, and water to a blender. Blend on high until smooth. Optional. Strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth for a smoother juice. Stir in lemon juice and honey if using. Serve chilled or over ice. How to use. Drink half to 1 cup on an empty stomach for a gentle detox and digestion support. Helps reduce bloating and improve digestion after meals. Sip warm, not hot, with honey and lemon when you feel a cold coming on. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Remember, God is the ultimate healer, the great physician. If you liked this, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural wellness tips.